Hi guys, today we are going to cover this topic, arithmetic progression. And before starting this chapter, let's talk about sequence. Actually, they're not one type of sequence, they are multiple type of sequence. Sequence is generally an arrangement of numbers in a definite order. Let's say 1, 3, 5, 7, dot dot dot. They are arranged in a specific order, in a different manner. Okay, similarly 3, 9, 27, this is also arranged in a specific order, in a specific manner. 1 by 2, 1 by 4, 1 by 6, dot dot dot, this is also arranged in a specific manner. Okay, so they all are the arrangements. Now we are talking about those arrangements in which difference is common. Okay, and the difference between two consecutive numbers must be common. They must be equal. Let's say this is A1, this is A2, this is A3, this is A4. So A2 minus A3 is 2, A3 minus A2 is also 2, and A4 minus A3 is also 2. So we can say that this arrangement is an arithmetic progression. Clear? So basically, what is arithmetic progression? A sequence having a common difference. That's it. Okay. Here we are going to talk about two things. That first of all, we have to find out the nth term. Then we have to find out the sum of nth term. In this video, I will talk about nth term only. In my next video, I will share sum of nth term. So, let's take it in any example like 3, 7, 11, 15, dot dot dot. So this is a sequence and this is an AP because there is a common difference between every consecutive numbers. Difference between them, difference between them, difference between them. They all have a common difference, that is 4. Okay, so what do we know about this AP? That we have a common difference as 4. Now, first number is said to be A or A1, second number as A2, third number as A3, fourth number as A4. So they all are arranged in an order. Now, if I subtract A2 minus A1, A2 minus A1, I get the difference, that is 4. A3 minus A2, then also I get the difference as a 4. A4 minus A3, then also difference as a 4. At the same time, we can also see that A1 is equal to, A2 is equal to A1 plus D, A3 is equal to A2 plus D, A4 is equal to A3 plus D. So let's consider this is equation 1, this is equation 2, and this is equation 3. Clear? If I put the value of A2 over here, so what I find is, A3 is equal to, instead of A2, I write equation A1 plus D. A1 plus D instead of A2 and D. So it will be A1 plus 2D. So this is A3. If I put the value of, if I solve this equation A4 is given as A3 plus D, right? Yes. So if I put the value of A3 over here, not here, over here, and what I find, it is A plus 2D plus D, which is equal to A plus 3D. That is A4. Clear? Now, what conclusion we got from this? We got that, what information we got, that we can make a formula out of it. To find A5, it is like A plus 4D, because this is what is happening over here, right? To find A3, it is A plus 2D. To find A4, it is A plus 3D. Similarly, to find A5, it is A plus 4D. And to find A6, it is A plus 5D. So what we have observed, to find the nth term, I mean n could be any number of a progression, any position of a progression. So it is A plus n minus 1 into d. If n is 5, then it will be 4d. N minus 1, 5 minus 1. So if it is 10, then it is A plus 9d. So we got a conclusion. We made a formula that to find the value of at nth position, what we have to do is we have to just put the value of the first term and then n minus 1, one position prior, that is any number less than 1 into d. D is a difference. So we'll come back to the question. Our equation was 3, 7, 11, 15 dot dot dot. Okay. Now, let's say if we have to find out the value of let's say fifth term, so it will be A, that is 3, and n minus 1 into d, should be n, the writing formula. So A5 is equal to 3 plus 4 into 4, that is 3 plus 16, that is 19. Now A5 is equal to 19. Okay, yes. This is how we have to find the value of nth term. That we know the starting or some initial values of a sequence, but if we have to find out the 10th term, the 20th term, 100th term, 900th term, we just have to follow this formula. What do we need is first term, difference, and the position. A defines first term, D defines difference, or we can say the common difference, and N defines position. That defines position of a number required. Because if we are looking for, let's say this is a sequence like 2, 6, 10, 10, and 14. Alright, so what is the value of n at 30? What is the position of this 30th term? Not term, value actually. Term is we use for position. Like this is at 7th. This is the 7th term. This is the 8th. This could be the 8th term. This could be 9th term. So we use term for the position. As this is the first term. This is the second term. This is third term. This is fourth term. And we are looking for at what position or at what will be the value of n for this value. Okay. Now A is given as 2. D is given as 4. Well, these are given actually, you can calculate it. You can just subtract A2 minus A1. We'll get it, D. Okay, so actually it is A2 minus A1, which is equal to 6 minus 2, which is equal to 4. So 4 is a difference. Clear? Now, we have A, we have D. We do not know value of n, but we know that an is equal to that nth position, the value is 38. Now, a 38, sorry, not 38, so an is equal to 38. So 38 is equal to a, that is 2. I have not written the formula, so you can just consider the formula. I'm just writing the values directly. So just understand, this is a n, this is a, and n minus 1, and we do not know, so we have to leave it as it is, and we know the difference, that is 4. So it is 38 minus 2 is equal to 4n minus 4. So when we solve it out, we'll get the value of n. Clear? So this is how we have to solve the questions of nth term in arithmetic progression. After this, actually this is not enough. We have a little complicated or little tricky questions of this topic that I will do in my next video. I will solve some NCERT questions, not some, almost all NCERT questions of arithmetic progression, in which I'll do all the questions and will define each and every one. And also do some important questions from different books. I will just gather some good questions from multiple books. I will solve them for you, so that your topic of this nth term of an AP will get perfectly clear. I mean, perfectly done. So this is all for today. Tomorrow or in upcoming day, I'll upload new video for you. So have a nice day.